everyone, welcome to Fun with Yarn. Today we are going to do this beautiful stitch pattern. It's called basket weave, and it's multiple. We need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 5 stitches, and it's only 8 row pattern. And look at this. This is the right side. This is the wrong side, and I leave the pattern in the description box and you can find it there. And then I cast on 23 stitches and multiples of 8 plus 5 plus 2 8 stitches, and I'm going to start my first row. First row is knitting. I knit all the way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 20 22 and 23. And my second row, first knit 5. I skip my selvage stitch. I'm not going to do anything for selvage stitch. And row 2 I'm going to knit 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And my repeat pattern start now. Purl 3, 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and knit 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Again my repeat section. Purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 5. 1 knit, 2 knit, and 3 knit, 4 knit, and 5 knit. And my selvage stitch I'm going to purl always my selvage stitch. I'm going to do my third row. Third row I am going to do purl 5. I skip my first one and purl 5. 1 2 2 3 4 5. And I am going to start my repeat section. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 5. 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Again my repeat section, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my salvage stitch I'm going to purl it. My fourth row, repeat row 2, and I'm going to skip my first salvage stitch and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do repeat section again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my edge stitch. I'm purl always my served stitch. And now my row 5, we need to knit all stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't need to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oops, and my served stitch. I miscount somewhere else. That's fine. And my sixth row, I need to knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. I am going to repeat again, knit purl 3, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my edge 3 stitches, 4 stitches. I have edge 4 stitches. I am going to purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 1, and my edge stitch I am purling always. Now my 7th stitch, 7 stitch, I take it off my salvage stitch, and first stitch is purl, and repeat section. Now knit 3, purl 5, 1, 2 knit, 3 knit, and purl 5, 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, 4, 5. I am repeat again, knit 3, purl 5, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and purl 5, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5, and my last 4 stitch I am going to do 3 knits, 1, 2, 3, 3 knits, 1 purl, and my salvage stitch I am going to purl, and my row 8 I'm starting row 8. Row 8 is row 6. Skip first stitch because it's my salvage stitch, and it's knit 1, purl 3, purl 3 1, purl 2, purl 3, and now knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat again my purl 3, knit 5, 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and knit 5, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, 4 knit, 5 knit, and my end 4 stitches I purl 3 and knit 1, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, and last stitch knit 1, and this is my salvage stitch. I always my salvage stitch purl. Okay, this is our 8 row pattern. This is the right side, and I will come again with another few rows. After few rows our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. I hope you are enjoying my video. I will come back with another beautiful stitch pattern. See you. Bye bye.